Hello everyone and welcome back to SEO 365 challenge next video. And in this video we would be discussing all about SEO, as we were discussing in the last video also about few other pointers that helps in on-page SEO. So the next point that we should maintain, or we should keep an eye on the content that we are writing while doing the on-page SEO, is that it's not necessary that we should always work on the keywords only. Along with the keyword, we need to have our LSI words as well, and even we need to keep in point the synonyms of the same keyword. Now, as we know, as per the Google's rule, we can only write up till max 3% of the keywords. So with the help of LSI keywords and other variation of the keywords, Google is able to find, or I should be more precise saying, crawlers would be able to understand your text or the blog or the content that you have written more efficiently, and he would be able to provide the informations, the same informations, to the user more effectively. For example, if I'm selling a shoes, then I need to have, or I should use the terms like sneakers, formal shoes, sports shoes, mountain climbing shoes, because it's not only that everyone would be always writing shoes. If you're writing these kind of specifications along with that, then it will help you in getting more and more traffic. So this was today's point for on-page SEO. Do stay connected for the next day's point. Thank you guys.